Welcome to a video by Abron Export. This is an organ bath which has a digital temperature controller. Here, let me tell you the part. This is a heater which is 220 volt. This is a probe for temperature controller. One tube for putting the muscle, and one this arrow is there for making a line on the. This is a kymograph. The setup comes when you order this. Only organ bath comes. This setup requires this kymograph also to run the instrument. On the kymograph, this one paper is nowadays provided. This paper is wrapped around this with the clips. Here you can see other videos by Abron, and these are the oxygen tube. Here it is to be attached. There are two riders, two uprights. One is for holding here, or another one. This has this screws to hold it. The rim is reinforced, and the oxygen tube is to be held. Rubber tube is to be attached with the air, and this is I show you the close up. This has a screw here. You open this screw. Let me show you a little bit. This open it. You can move it out and in, and when it is to be done, you can fix it by the angle so that it is securely. And there is inside. I show you what is inside. There is one pointer here also, and the oxygen comes out from a hole here. It is provided with one hole for coming out of the oxygen, so the muscle does not die when it is being in the process of checking the kymograph graph of the contraction of the muscle. The muscle will contract or expand due to the medicine. This tube is provided. Two tubes are there. Two uprights are there. One holder is there. One holder for this arrow or pointer is there, and it is also adjustable. I am putting this weight, which is generally by seal kind of a material, or any solid or soft. This soft ball can be made and put this way or this way, so that the line is. This is a freely moving. Now I am just showing you the only for actual experiment will be done with the very carefully, and temperature is controlled, and this graph is of the wave is generated on the organ bath. The speeds are here. I show you. These are the speeds which are selectable. You can see our other videos. Generally you can see a higher speeds, but you can put a lower speed also. Generally muscle is done with a higher speed, 620. Let me switch it off and show you. This is having a temperature, setting temperature. How to set the temperature is very easy. We always set the temperature to 37 degree. Press it. It tells you. Let me show you how this is for putting up and down. Once it is 37, you can bring it to any point. I can bring it to 37 point. Generally it is done on 37.5 degrees. I can make it 37.5 and put it back set. This shows the temperature which is inside, and when I press it, it shows the temperature which I am desiring. 37.5 is the desired temperature, like this, and now it is showing 37.5 and vibrating, and this blinking inside is 36.8. Most of the experiment is done by 37.5 or any, because that's a human or normal body temperature. So it has only two set temperature is single button. Press it, change the values. You can change it to 37.5 or 6, and then press it again. It becomes 37.5, 37.6. Generally it should be kept almost 37 or little below, so that the actual temperature will rise, not rise. This you have to do the experiment as per your requirement, and I am setting it on 37.2 now. This has a temperature. It has a stand here also. We have got another model with a total acrylic inside, and this comes another model is with the thermostatic control, not the digital one. There is a one knob type system. Please visit the website, see the other videos, subscribe to the channel, and this is abronexports.com is our website. Email is abron01@gmail.com. WhatsApp number is 94160200018. Please visit the channel YouTube and subscribe to the videos. Like it, share it, and subscribe. Thank you very much.